My poor babies. I'm on the road too much. I don't have time to constantly care for them. Maybe I should just give up. Maybe I should just buy my leafy greens at the store like everyone else. Nah, I gotta make this right.
Close your eyes with me, start imagining a world full of love. We can change the stars with our hands and hearts, make them shine alright.
Alright, hey guys, just a quick video because they're coming to do the roof, and after these guys made a comeback, you can see they're nice and green. I have to go to work, so I can't move this, so it might all get destroyed, who knows. But if it does, we'll just start growing again. Hopefully it'll be okay. I'll bring you in here so you can see from last week where they were looking really pale. We're doing really good. Check out all this. Got the green. We just got our nutrients back in there. This is what it looked like. Remember last week? And old growth. New growth. So yeah, after a comeback, getting excited about it getting healthy again. Might all be gone by tomorrow, but oh well, that's life. Let's take you around the rest of the garden really quick.
Dancing on the way home, spinning as the day gone anew. That I could take it with me, this feeling and the memories of you. Left you on the corner, Robinson and Port, with my eyes closed. Oh, I could never walk away if I was looking at your face. No, I never leave you.
Alright, this is under the overhang. The roofer said he's going to be real careful, so should be okay. Here you see every time we harvest some pak choi, we plant some more microgreens out, then we always have a fresh crop coming till they get to this point here. These look really good. Excellent stir fries and salads. This white crunchy part here, you just chop it up and toss it in your soup, and it's so good. Filled in with a little lettuce. Put a couple lettuce up here too. This little wall just gets me so excited. Alright, hope everyone's doing alright. Tichi's gonna tell you how we fix the plants, right? How'd we do it? Tell them right there. No? Alright, go ask your mommy for a treat. Go on, good girl. Alright, I'm not gonna take up too much of your time. It's holiday season. I know everyone's busy. So I just want to tell you about how much nutrients I added and why. Oh, by the way, this is an NFT system that you saw out in the garden, and we'll discuss that in future videos. If anyone's got a question, just email me and I'll talk to you about it. But we'll be getting into that next year. your nutrients. If you come home and find your plants like that, don't let it go to the extent that I did. I did that for demonstration purposes. When you first notice that happening, your first instinct might be to dump out your nutrients and start over. But in my experience, that puts the plants into shock, and that's not good. What I do is take whatever nutrients you're using, like we're using the Master Blend, and I take what I would put into a 5-gallon bucket, the 10 grams of Master Blend, 10 grams calcium nitrate, and 5 grams of Epsom salt. And I don't make 5 gallons. I mix that up in a small container and just dump that into the pre-existing solution that's there and let it go for 3-4 days and just keep an eye on them and see if they start doing better. If they look like they need a little more, put another dose or a half dose in there, kind of keep an eye on them and just kind of nurse them back to health. If you're not going to get all the hydroponic supplies like the digital pH meters and the thing to measure the parts per million, your dissolved solids in your solution, and light meters and everything like that, you're going to have to be a little more in tune with your plants, kind of like we did in the old days before we had all that stuff, or even right now a traditional garden. If your plants aren't doing good, you can tell if it needs a little more water or needs some more fertilizer, and you don't go in there and flood your field or dump a whole wheelbarrow of compost onto a plant. You give it a little compost and you water it and you watch it for a few days and you adjust. And same concept here. So that's all we're going to talk about right now. If you got more questions, just email me. Everyone else, I don't want to keep you too long. So I just want to let you know, if you don't catch any more of my videos between now and the new year, I just want to take this time to say thank you for sticking around. I'm so grateful for all of you. So grateful for all of you guys who've been sharing all year long. It is just incredible, the amount of letters and stuff that I get from people all over the world, all because of you guys. So if you don't catch any more of my shows, I just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Enjoy this time with your family. We've got a bunch of big things happening in 2019 that I'm excited and I can't wait to share with you all. So enjoy this time with your friends and family. Have fun. Live to inspire. Keep on growing. Be the change. 2019, look out, because here we come. Mr. Doozy out.
Rain is coming.